Marketing will never feel like gambling again because of our money lever technology. Our system gets more predictive the more you use it. And so you can hold every dollar accountable and never be left in the dark. Your marketing will start to feel like a beach vacation instead of a night of bad decisions in Vegas. Imagine being able to hit or exceed your revenue goals every single time. Warplan AI helps people like you close their gap in record time so you can do what matters most. You'll start by creating your battle plan, so our software can automatically reverse engineer a 12-month step-by-step roadmap for your growth. You do the dreaming, we do the nerding. Math is the path, and we take care of that automatically. Imagine having immediate access to 15 years worth of bulletproof money-making strategies. Each one of the money missions is designed to put maximum take-home profit in your pocket. Some of our users make $10,000, $20,000, or even $30,000 after implementing just the very first money mission. Each week, in less than a minute, you'll create a marketing mix that is mathematically engineered to help you close your gap. No more overwhelm or confusion when it comes to growing your business. With the click of a button, you will finally know with perfect accuracy your cost per lead, customer acquisition cost, average ticket, and close rate per marketing channel. This level of data-driven insight had been previously reserved only for the largest companies with the biggest teams and budgets. Now you have it too. Imagine knowing in advance when to spend and when not to spend money marketing. Imagine knowing in advance exactly when to start running your job hiring ads. Now you do. With our revenue curve technology, you'll gain great insights specific to your market and your service that will save you time, money, and frustration. You will now instantly know if you're on or off pace from your goals, so you can easily make adjustments on the fly. Ever wonder how much you could sell your business for? Now you'll know. Plus, you'll watch your number grow over time with our secret private equity-based enterprise value formulas specific for local business owners. When will you hit your opportunity ceiling? Some people wonder how big their business could even be based on the service area and the zip codes for their specific service type. With Warplan AI, you can put your mind at ease in a glance, knowing that there's plenty of room to grow. Simplify your targeting with our visual mapping tool, which will allow you to see where the greatest concentrations of your current customers actually are. In just a quick glance, you'll know where the greatest money-making opportunities are located. Secretly spy on your competitors for 3 simple reasons. Number 1, so you can audit their local SEO and compare it to your own. Number 2, you can see how many online reviews they have compared to you. And number 3, to send them automated acquisition letters every month, so you can buy their companies and assets for pennies on the dollar. All of this is done without you ever breaking a sweat. Warplan AI helps you to automate birthday gifts for your employees, keep their employment details organized, and even build a full-blown org chart for every job position you have, while even writing all of your recruiting job posts for you in just seconds. Organize and invite other local business owners to start promoting your business with our Dream 100 feature. You can trigger physical letters to be mailed to them on autopilot and start a local networking group in a breeze. Imagine getting free local leads while you sleep and automatically being reminded when to follow up with important strategic relationships. Our cutting-edge battle bots will give you your time back and put money in your wallet because you can connect your business's Google, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn accounts with a single click. This allows you to automate daily social media content to all platforms and see your monthly calendar at a glance, which will be generating leads for your business 24/7. You can even reply to your Facebook and Google reviews from inside Warplan. If that wasn't enough, you can also create unbelievably eye-catching images in seconds, write entire SEO-optimized blog posts, and generate money-making email campaigns almost instantly. Picture this. You just hired an employee that never gets sick, never comes in late, never complains, and works 24 hours a day. The best part? It costs you nothing, and his specialty is getting you leads. Meet your new AI chatbot. After just a few minutes of setup, your new bot will know everything about you, your customers, your services, even the local weather, and more. It will chat with your website visitors, answering their questions and persuading them to request an estimate from you or give your office a call. Welcome to the future. One of the best parts about Warplan AI is that you're never alone. Day one, you're going to be placed inside a private battle group of like-minded small business owners led by a facilitator who understands exactly what it's like to be where you currently are. You will borrow resources, ideas, systems, and knowledge from others just like you. You're going to build lifelong relationships by masterminding, stay connected through group chats, push yourself with challenges, and be encouraged by seeing each member's personal and financial goals all in one single place. At Warplan, we lock arms and level up together. If all of this wasn't mind-blowing enough, what if we threw in a top-to-bottom beast of a marketing automation engine? Well, that's exactly what we did. Every single Warplan AI user will get a fully white-labeled Go High Level account for free. This will automate your lead follow-up, text message campaigns, and even ringless voicemails. You can create full websites or landing pages in seconds. You can even create a drag-and-drop sales pipeline in minutes. Many people pay hundreds or even thousands of dollars a month for just this one piece of the puzzle, but you're going to get it for free when you join Warplan AI. In conclusion, we believe that it's easier to make money when you're having fun, which is why our entire system is gamified with badges and free credits, prizes, and rewards. The real question is this: are you ready to lock arms and level up?